I'm not gotten
The
used to
thing
it,
is,
but
Lagos is
anytime
sweet when you have everything you need.
when you have money, not
When you have
when
money,
you have
exactly.
money.
That's what I'm saying.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing this face, stopping by this channel, then you are definitely welcome. Do complete the action by subscribing to this channel. Trust me, you're not going to regret it. On this channel, I make videos ranging from beauty, lifestyle, and vlogs. And very recently, I've started incorporating YouTube growth tips as well as business videos as well. So if those are videos you're interested in, consider subscribing to this channel. My name is Maryann. Let me introduce myself. My name is Maryann. And today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a very sleek side parting or side parted ponytail, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm actually doing this for a video that I have to record, but I just felt why not just record it for YouTube and show you guys how you can do that as well at home without spending a lot of money on extensions and whatnot. Plus I noticed that videos like that on my channel usually do well. Babe, why is it that anytime I want to film, that's when you'll be walking about carrying making noise? Anyways, so I'm basically going to be showing you guys how to do a side parting ponytail. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you want to see what the outcome is and how it's going to look on you, then definitely keep on watching. So guys, for today's ponytail, I'm going to be using this synthetic synthetic coily weave. I believe it's a deep wave. I can't remember the name, maybe noble gold or something. But if you want to see how I made this myself, because I actually made it myself, I have a ponytail tutorial up on my channel. Click the card up here to go watch it for yourself and learn how to make it yourself. It's pretty easy. All you need is your ponytail net, your thread and needle, and if you have combs, of course. But I'm aware that some ponytail nets like this now comes with combs. Like this one came with the combs, so I didn't need to sew that in. So without any further ado, let's go straight into the video. First off, you want to make sure that your hair is completely dried. I did relax my hair yesterday, and my goodness, I highly recommend the Dark and Lovely relaxer. It really did a good job. My hair really feels smooth. No relaxer has been able to make my hair this smooth and not, you know, like it's really flat. All I have to do now is just straighten it a bit before doing what we're doing. So all that aside, to start off with the video, you want to make sure that your hair is absolutely dry, and what better way than to use the Con Hair Cord Keeper 1874. When I saw this on Amazon, I had like some doubts about it. I was like, especially when people said travel size, I was expecting it to be really small, but this is perfect, and it dries absolutely well. And one thing I really liked about it is that it's retractable, so you don't have wires everywhere. I already have too many wires for my setup. I don't need any more wires. So once you're done with these, all you have to just do is retract it, and then it goes into its storage, and you can definitely travel around with this. It came with two covers. So there's the comb one. Let me show you. Comes with these two, I don't know what these are called, but I don't know, if you're a hairstylist, I'm sure you know what this is called. So this is what the first one looks like, and yeah, I think this is for drying like specific region. I absolutely don't know. And then there's this one. I don't know what this is used for as well. So I think I've just used this once when I was hair drying my wig that I washed, but other than that, I just like to use it directly. So I think that helps in preventing direct heat from hitting your hair. I don't know, do your research please. So I'm just going to turn this on. Right now it's off. I'm going to move back a bit so that I can. So what you basically want to do is just pull this as long as you need, right, and then just plug it in. Okay, so once that is plugged in, I'm just going to turn it on and put it in heat. Yeah, I just wanted to quickly tell you the importance of doing this. As I'm blow drying my hair, I can literally see the steam coming off my hair, and that's because there's still some form of moisture on my hair. So you want to make sure that your hair is absolutely dry so that the gel that you're going to apply would stay still. So now that our hair is properly blow dried, let me show you what what I meant by this thing. So you press this and kind of like pull. Once you pull, it's be careful because this thing is very dangerous.
That's me.
So I like to use brush to brush my hair, yeah, because my hair is very thick. Using any comb at this stage will just make, it's going to make it very painful. So yeah. The next thing you want to do is straighten your hair. You don't have to straighten the whole of your hair, but just straighten the front part because that's where people are going to see. So I want to do a side part, a C part, and then kind of like bring it very close to my left brow. So I'm just going to do that. I just finally finished straightening my hair, and you can see now that it's a lot flatter than before. So what this basically does is that it just helps your hair flatter. So next step is to go ahead and apply some gel, and I'm not going to be applying this all over just the top, just the front part of my hair, because that's where people ideally would see. So but if you want to apply this all over your hair, feel free, knock yourself out, okay? But for me, just applying it, especially this areas here, so that it sleeps better. Yeah, so I was basically trying to get this base to be like this. Next, I'm just going to pack my hair, and I'll be packing it this way, just right at the center of the back of my head. So if you want, you can go over with a comb, but I think I'm good like this. So once this is done, I'm just going to go ahead and spray using some got2b glue freezing spray, and spray the top. Especially the front, so that it sleeps perfectly. Okay, so this is how it's going to look. I'm just going to go ahead and tie it down so that it dries faster. So we're going to give it a couple of minutes. If you don't want to do this step, you can absolutely skip it by blow drying your hair. But because I want to do my makeup, so I figured there's still more time. So feel free to use the blow dryer instead of just tying your hair down. But tying it down is a lot better because it presses the hair onto your scalp and it becomes more sleek and perfect. So I'll be right back to show you guys the rest of the video. So this is several minutes after, and we're finally ready to unveil our hair. It's not completely dried, but I feel like it's flat enough for me to put on my ponytail. Let me come closer. Oh, see what I said? It's lifting, but that's fine. We're gonna fix that. We're gonna go ahead and put on our ponytail. So what you want to do is loosen the drugstore a little bit so it fits into the stuff you've already put at the back of your hair. And thankfully it has combs, so you just put the top one, just clip it to your hair so that it stays put, and then clip the other one at the bottom like so that it doesn't move, and then pull the drawstring and then just roll this around At this point also, I'm going to take some piece of hair. And because this stuff is synthetic, you have to be very careful. If not, it's going to become rough like real quick. So it looks really nice, really nice. I'm sure once I have applied my makeup, I'm going to look like a human being again. But yeah, this is basically the whole of the hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up, like this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Actually, I'm just going to go off camera, apply my makeup, and then I'll be right back to show you what I've got.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion.